Is it worth it? That's what we're here in Frederick today to find out for my out-of-town buyers. We are on Camelback Lane. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,906 square feet, and it's been on the market for 121 days. They are currently listed at $625,000, and they originally started at $670,000. Let's go take a look at the inside and see, is it worth it? Oh, this is pretty. We got a tile foyer, hardwood living room, a powder room right here, and let's go this way. Access into the kitchen there with a pocket door. I would say this is definitely freshly painted. So here's the dining room, another pocket door. I need a favor. If you're getting value from this, would you hit that like button for me? It really helps the channel out, and I appreciate you for it. Now, back to the video. Kitchen. So we have older cabinets and countertops, look like Corian, but in good shape. I don't know what you're feeling on these things. I would probably try to take them out and leave it more open into the first floor family room here. Got built-ins. I love built-ins. Wood fireplace. And check out this backyard. You got a nice patio. Good flat yard. What else we got over here? And the garage. There's a little ramp to get in. Now this is a real 2-car garage. Why do I call it a real 2-car garage? Because you got space over here, you got space in the middle, and you got space on the far side. You can pull your car in and actually open a door. All right, let's see what else this thing has to offer. Main level seems pretty awesome. Let's head upstairs and see what these bedrooms look like. Ooh, who can tell me what kind of floor that is? All right, so we got full bath here. Master over here. Good space. Big closet there, another one here, and the master bath. Nice stand-up shower with a bench. And this is probably the smallest room, but good size. Bedroom number 3. Also good size. Lots of natural light in here. None of these rooms, well this one does, but it's not there. None of these rooms have overhead lights. So there's no lights turned on outside of the bathrooms. Let's check out that basement. Is the basement creepy? Let's go find out. Got some storage. Looks partially finished. And they got one heck of a water system here. So we got water heater from 23. Pressure tank. I don't know what year that is. And then we got a softener, neutralizer, lots of filtration. Washer and dryer, laundry sink, panel, light switch over here. Oh, lights in, lights out, good. Can anybody tell me what that thing is? Anybody? Drop it in the comments if you know. And a sump pump over there. And out back. Oh, they even built in storage in here. Some real quality Bilco doors. What else? Where is the HVAC? Here we go. See if we can find a light switch in here. There we go. So we got a new heat pump. From 21. Nice and clean and pure air. Good storage. Hey, real quick, can you hit that like button for me? I appreciate you. Thanks. Corner lot, brick home, got siding up top. This thing looks really clean. The yard is flat. Got some really nice big trees. I'm sure those leaves are fun to clean up. Bilco doors, definitely newer. And a little bit of growth on the roof, but that thing is solid. I don't know how I feel about that tree that close to the house. Nice patio. And 2-car garage. Is Camelback worth it? To me, I think it's a really nice house in good shape, but it's a little dated and I think it's a little overpriced, especially because it's been sitting on that market so long. We don't know if they've gotten offers or anything, but I think it's a little high. I'm going with $575, probably the top end of that thing, because it needs all new updates on everything, probably closer down to like $550. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, and we'll see you on the next one.